Question number 11. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 cm sweeping through an angle 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Given length of blade of wiper is equal to 25 centimeter and angle theta is equal to 115 degree. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square is equal to 115 divided by 360 into pi 22 upon 7 into radius is 25 into 25. 23 5s are 115 and 5 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 36 2s are 72, 11 2s are 22 is equal to 23 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 25 into 25, that is equal to 625 divided by 36 into 7. And a car has two wipers. Total area cleaned at each wiper of the blades. Total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades is equal to 2 into 23 into 11 into 625 divided by 36 into 7. 18 2s are 36. This implies 11 into 23 into 11, that is 11 3s are 33, 11 2s are 22 plus 3 25 multiply by 625. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 12, 2 3s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30, 31, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 15, 5 6 plus 6 12, 10 11, 5 7 8 5 1 1 5 8 1 2 5 divided by 18 sevens are 126 centimeter square. Answer Given length of blade of wiper is 25 centimeter and angle theta is 115 degree. Area of sector theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Angle is 115 upon 360 multiplied by 22 upon 7 into 25 into 25. Radius is 25. 23 5s are 115 and 72 5s are 360. 72, 36 2s are 72, 11 2s are 22. 23 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 6, 25 into 25, that is 625, divided by 36 into 7. And total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades equal to, a car has two wipers. 2 into 23 into 11 into 625 divided by 36 into 7. 2, 18 2s are 36 and 18 7s are 126, and 23 multiplied by 11 we get 253 multiplied by 625, that is equal to 158125 divided by 126 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 12. Two warns ships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spreads a red color over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 km. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. Pi is equal to 3.14 given. Given angle of sector is equal to 80 degree. Distance covered that is R equal to 16.5 kilometer. Area of sector is equal to angle theta upon 360 into pi r square, that is equal to 80 divided by 360 multiplied by pi is 3.14 and 16.5 into 16.5, that is r. 0 0 is cancelled and 4 2s are 8, 9 4s are 36, that is equal to 2 upon 9 into 314 upon 100, 165 upon 10 into 165 upon 10. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 and 55 3s are 165. 11 5s are 55, 5 2s are 10. 11 5s are 55, 5 2s are 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 157 2s are 340. Area of sector is equal to 157 into 11 into 11 divided by 100. 11 into 11, that is equal to, this implies 157 into 121 divided by 100. 11 multiplied by 11, that is equal to 121, and 157 multiplied by 121, 751, 7 2s are 14, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, and 751. 7 5 plus 4 is 9, 7 plus 2 that is equal to 9, 5 plus 3 that is equal to 8, and 1 is equal to 18997 divided by 100 is equal to, implies 189.97 kilometer square. Answer. Given angle of sector 80 degree and distance covered r is equal to 16.5 kilometer, area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Angle is 80 degree upon 360 into 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5. 0 0 is cancel. 4 2s are 8, 9 4s are 36, 2 upon 9 into 3.14 can be write 314 divided by 100, and 16.5 165 upon 10, 165 upon 10, and 355 3s are 165, 3 3s are 9, 55 3s are 165, 3 1s are 3, 55 3s are 165. 11 into 11 into 157 divided by 2 is cancel, and 2 1s are 2, 157 2s are 314. We get 157 into 11 into 11, that is 121 divided by 100. Multiplying 157 and 121, we get 18997 and divides by 100. So we get 189.97 kilometer square. Answer. Question number 13. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square, and root 3 is equal to 1.7. Given radius of the cover is equal to 28 centimeter, and angle theta is equal to 6 equal design 360 divided by 6, that is equal to 60 degree. Angle theta equal to 60 degree. Area of sector is equal to angle theta upon 360 into pi r square is equal to 60 upon 360 into pi is 22 upon 7, and radius is 28 into 28. 0 0 is cancel. 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36, and 2 3s are 6, and 11 2s are 22, 7 4s are 28. Area of sector is equal to 11 4s are 44 into 28 divided by 3. 44 into 28, 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 8 4s are 32 plus 3 35, and 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, we get 2, 8 plus 5 13, 8 plus 3 11 plus 1 12, that is equal to 1 2 3 2 divided by 3. 1 2 3 2 divided by 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 3 1s are 3, 2 0, 20, 3 6 are 18, and 3 6 are 18. Area of sector is equal to 410.66 centimeter square. Area of one triangle formed between radii and chord, that is equal to half into r square sine theta is equal to 1 upon 2 into 28 into 28 into sine 60. Sine theta means sine 60 degree, that is under root of 3 divided by 2, and this is cancelled. 14 2s are 28, and 14 is also cancelled by 2. 7 2s are 14 is equal to 28 multiplied by 7 into root 3. We have given root 3 is equal to 1.7 only. This implies 28 7s are 196. 28 multiplied by 7, 7 8s are 56, 5 carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 5 19. 28 7s are 196 into 1.7. 196 17. 17 6 are 102, 10 carry, and 17 9s are 153, that is 361. 16 carry, and 16 plus 17, that is equal to 33 is equal to 333.2 centimeter square. So area of one minor segment that is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle formed between radii and chord. Area of sector minus area of triangle is equal to 410.66 minus 333.2, 410.66, 333.2, 64.10 minus 7 is equal to 7, 70 is equal to 77.46 centimeter square. Total area covered in design. 6 design means 6 multiplied by 77.46 is equal to 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27, 2 carry, 6 7s are 42 plus 2, 42 plus 2 44, 4 carry, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 4, that is 46 point. Cost of design is equal to 0.35 rupees is equal to 0.35 into 464.76. 46476 multiplied by 35. 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 7 5s are 35 plus 3 38, 3 carry, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3 23, 2 carry, 6 5s are 30 plus 2 32, 3 carry, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3 23, and 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22, 2 carry, 3 4s are 12 plus 2 14, 1 carry, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 0 8 plus 8 16, 5 6 6 9 plus 12 6 and 1 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, that is equal to 162.66 rupees. Answer: given radius of cover is equal to 28 centimeter and angle theta is 360 upon 6. 6 design angle theta is equal to 360 divided by 6, that is equal to 60 degree. And area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Angle is 60 upon 360. 0 0 is cancelled. 6 6 are 36, and 3 2s are 6, 11 2s are 22, 7 1s are 7, 4 7s are 28. We get 11 into 4 into 28 divided by 3. Area of sector is equal to 44 into 28, that will be 1232 divided by 3, and 1232 divides 3, we get 410.66 centimeter square. Its area of sector. And area of one triangle formed between the radii and chord is equal to half into r square sin theta. Its formula: half into r square sin theta, that is equal to 1 by 2. Angle is sin 60 degree. R is 28 into 28, and sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. We have given value of root 3, that is equal to 1.7 only. We put in root 3 is equal to 1.7, and multiplying 28 7s are 196, and 196 multiplied by 1.7, we get 333.2 centimeter square. And area of one minor segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. We get area of triangle is 333.2, and area of sector is equal to 410.66, and subtracting 410.66 and 333.2, we get 77.46 centimeter square. Total area covered in design, 6 designs, 6 multiplied by 77.46, that is equal to 464.76 centimeter square. And cost of design is equal to 0.35 rupees. 0.35 multiplied by 464.76, we get the result 162.66 rupees. Answer. Question number 14. Tick the correct answer. Area of sector of angle theta of a circle with radius r. Area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Option A is not correct. Option B is not correct. Option C, 360 divides by 2, that is theta upon 180. Not correct. Option D, that is theta upon 360 into 2 into 360 multiply by 2 pi r square. 2 is cancelled and we get area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So option D is correct answer. Option D is correct answer. Thank you so much.